Hi, my name is Mike Williams. Today we're making zero waste banana bao buns. So we've got some ginger and garlic, banana, mushrooms, spring onions, red cabbage, we've got some pak choy. What else have we got? We've got some carrots, soy sauce and bao buns. To start the recipe, I'm gonna finely dice some onions, puree some garlic and chop some ginger. For the recipe, I'm just going to use 1 clove of garlic. So not many people know that you can eat the skin of a banana, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So this recipe doesn't actually use the inside of the banana, so what I'm going to do is have that bit of a snack, and then I'm going to show you how to use the rest of it. Once you've taken out all the insides, you're then going to chop the banana skin into long slices. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put some lime juice on there because it goes black really quickly. So I've just julienned all the banana skins up, put lime juice on, then I'm now going to start the cooking process. I'm going to put some onions, garlic and ginger in a pan, sweat them down, and then I'm going to add the banana skins, cook that out a little bit, and then I'm going to add some brown sugar, soy sauce, and then make a bit of a stock, reduce it and get it like flaked up, ready to go for the bao buns. Now the garlic and shallots are ready, I'm just going to add the banana to the pan. I'm just going to julienne some carrots now and do a little mushrooms to go through that as well, just to add to that mix. A few mushrooms, put them through it as well, to add a bit of texture. So I've just added some miso paste and soy sauce. I'm going to let it simmer now for half an hour, bring that down and reduce, and get a nice sticky flavours into it. So whilst that's cooking down, we're going to do some garnishes. We've got some radishes, spring onions, some choy some red onion and some red cabbage and some chilies. So we're going to chop all them and get them garnished up, ready to go on top of the bao buns when they're ready. The garnishes are done, the mix is nearly there, and now we're going to get the bao buns in. Everything's finished now, the bao buns are cooked, the mix is ready, so we're going to plate one up. So we're going to put the mix in first, and then I'm going to garnish it up. So I've got some spring onions, some cabbage, chilli, a little bit of coriander. We've also got some picked coriander, just a piece of that, a bit of cucumber, and then a little lime. So these are the zero waste banana skin bao buns that we've made today. If you want to try this recipe, it's in the description below.
Very good.